With Industrial HiVision version 8.4, achieve zero-touch device replacement configuration to allow streamlined device replacement without needing network engineering expertise. In the following, this function is presented to you in more details. After you install devices in your network, you need to collect the configurations from the devices, save them to the TFTP server, and set up the DHCP server on the neighboring devices. On HiOS devices, when saving the configuration on the device, you can set up a device to also save its configuration to the TFTP server. Once a device fails, using the same ports, install the replacement device in the network. With the device operable and connected to the network, the neighbor device tells where the replacement device finds the configuration information. Then the new device then gets its configuration from the TFTP server, and now it is up, operable and running with the previous configuration. The following firmware variants support the zero-touch device replacement function: Layer 2 Enhanced and Layer 2 Professional, and HiOS devices starting with version 7.0. For more details about prerequisites that are required, please consult Industrial HiVision manual. Also, you can take a look at the demo video prepared to show you how the function works in a real demonstration with the Industrial HiVision version 8.4.